Hi folks, welcome back to our channel where we give you the tips and tricks for all your remodeling needs. I'm Joe Ferranti Gennaro.
And I'm Delina.
And what is it that you had a question from homeowners?
Well, today we want to know if you need a permit to renovate a kitchen.
Okay, to do kitchen remodeling in Tampa Bay area in 2023, kitchen remodels require a permit. Your permit is, if you think about electrical and plumbing, so just a basic kitchen remodel, you're probably going to have some electrical and plumbing. The electrical would be your appliances being removed and reinstalled, probably your backsplash outlets if you're doing tile, and then your plumbing would be disconnecting and hooking up your sinks and faucets.
Now, who would be in charge of the permit? Would that be the homeowner or somebody?
Your contractor should be the one that is pulling the permit. Homeowners can pull their own permits if they're doing the work themselves. They generally won't let you pull an electrical permit yourself anyway. Usually that has to be with a licensed electrician. But the rule of thumb, the rule from the Tampa Building Department is if you have two permits, like plumbing and electric, you need a building permit. So that's really like three now.
Mm-hmm.
The building permit covers all remodeling that's being done in the house. So if you're pulling a plumbing and electrical, you'll need a building permit, and you'll generally need a general contractor to pull a building permit. One of the benefits of having a permit pulled is that there's a third party checking our work. It's not that we don't want to do a good job. Most of the guys that are in construction, they want to do a good job. But you have somebody that's coming behind them to check, just to double check to make sure that everything's, let's say in the walls, the things you can't see are being done correctly. So it is a benefit for the homeowner to have a permit pulled on a job. Also, if you think about when you go to sell your house, the city might say, well, you did renovations and you didn't have a permit pulled. And that could cause you problems later when you sell your house.
Okay.
I mean, you've been doing a lot of stuff in the realty industry.
Mm-hmm.
Is there times when you've said, oh, this house is done some remodeling to it?
There's like an extra room on the back that it's not in the survey.
Where'd this room come from?
Yeah, I've been there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they have to do a few extra things.
Yeah, it costs you more money.
You have to take it down.
You may have to take it down. That doesn't sound good at all.
No.
Yeah, so I think most customers, homeowners, they're doing a kitchen renovation, they should have their contractor pull a permit.
Mm-hmm.
There's going to be somebody else coming in, checking the work, just to make sure it's been done properly. And that's a good thing.
Yeah.
I hear from homeowners, well, I don't know if I want a permit because my taxes are going to go up.
Yeah.
But unless you're adding square footage to the house, your taxes aren't going to go up. And if you're adding square footage to the house, you really need a building permit because now you got structural stuff that needs to be inspected.
If you just did a building permit, would you still need the electrical and the plumbing?
Yeah, so the rule of thumb is you have two subcontractor permits, you need a building.
Okay.
So any two could be air conditioning and electrical, or plumbing and electric, which is usually the two that would come into play in a kitchen remodeling. So, all right, folks. Well, thank you for watching. Please go to our website, tampakitchenandbath.com. Also on this channel, you can like and subscribe.
Goodbye.